don't have time. Take now. Take. Start writing, no. You only have 10 minutes for this exam. What is this bag doing here? I told you how to bring your bag, sir. What is this bag doing here? Africa! Agriba! This is exam hall, oh. Here is not market, oh. Agriba, your time has started, oh. You only have 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Once it's 10 minutes, I'm taking your paper. So better start writing your name, your math number, and start solving those mathematics. My eyes are watching you. My eyes are watching you. If you don't know what to write, leave my class. If I catch you.
Sir? Sir?
What is your problem?
Sir, the answer to number 7 is not here.
What do you mean number 7 answer is not here?
The answer is not here. Sir, come and see it now. I studied very well for this exam.
And exam I set myself.
Sir, I studied very well for this exam. The answer is not here.
What is this? What is this?
Okay, -4. Okay.
You better start getting serious. Please.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, number 5. Is it that the question is incorrect or the answer is not here, sir?
What do you mean by question correct answer is not here?
Sir, I read very well for this exam. Sir, I burnt candle for this exam. The answer is not here.
What I can show me that I wrote none of the above, I don't have sense. No, I can't tell me I don't have sense and I wrote none of the above.
Sorry, sir.
I don't know what are you taking me for? Why are you guys acting in this manner? Please, you have 5 minutes more.
Hello, sir.
Agriba, what is it?
There is a very big problem here, sir.
What is the problem?
Sir, it's either the person that set this exam did not graduate or maybe that person did not even go to school at all.
Agriba, are you trying to insult me?
I'm not trying to insult you.
What is it?
Yes, sir. I can't find the answer of number 1 to 20 here.
You can't find the answer of number 1 to 20.
Yes, sir.
That means the entire question.
Not at all, sir.
Let me see your question paper. Agriba, since you can't find the answer. Okay, me too, I can't find the answer. Agriba, you are carried over this semester.
What?
Sir, it's again.
Agriba, go back to your shop. Go back to your shop.
Read for this exam.
Opa, they read nothing they enter head at all. So I carry my own board, they enter the hall. I no one hear story at all.
Yeah, but you have fun now.
If they ask me, I don't tell you for us.
You read. I don't read anything, nothing they enter. As I did and I don't set pass. You guys play along. We go use Mbo. But you guys cooperate. We reach there. I could bring out the answer. Make everybody just play along. Make everybody bring out what they get to. We work together.
Yes.
Let's do more for this exam to pass. Make nobody hide the own. If time reach.
Only way.
They tell them when Femi
You
last
hide well.
semester.
No, cover your book.
You sabi
We
me
go
now.
work together and agree.
You know me, na me, I know they do like
Forget that
that.
thing.
now.
You won't carry first for university.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Your exams are starting today. You guys should not cooperate. Don't cooperate in this exam hall. You only cooperate in class, not in the exam hall. And I want to advise you to start with the questions you know. And I don't want to see you with any materials that will implicate you. Once you don't know, leave it. Everybody must not pass. Some of you will remain here. So that is it. Your time starts now. Agriba, I'll be back. Let me go and get you that stuff. Be very careful. These students are tricky. Please don't move around. Please, start. I told you not to move around now. You know your condition. You are blind. Please, I believe you guys are done by now. Please show your papers, please. Agriba, don't move around. Start the case. Please submit. The one that just collect this paper, so go to the hospital. Give me. Give me now. Listen. Please, let's go to the class. We'll go to the
You don't know why it's going on.
Don't move around.